may empty without putting oil. Even though the oil is short, try to top the oil in your engine because it plays a lot of role. Without oil in engine, your engine can knock at any time. Without oil in engine, it can make your engine to produce nonsense sound that you will not like. Without oil in your engine, your car cannot move. Without oil in engine, your car can be misbehaving. You will thinking that it's small thing without knowing that it have caused a lot of things for you. Without oil in engine, there will be no any friction in the engine for the engine to work so smoothly. Without oil and engine, your engine will stop moving. Will stop you on the road while moving. So it's a very important thing for us to put in oil in our engine. No matter how little the oil is, put oil on your engine. Don't leave your engine empty without putting oil. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, comment, like, subscribe. Hope you see more of my videos. Anytime I post video, they send a message that I have posted a video. So that's the reason why you need to subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be notified anytime I post my video. Thanks. Just watch very well, watch this thing very well. Cool down, take your time and watch it. Take your time and watch this thing from A to Z. Don't skip the video, more is coming. You will see. Just keep on watching. Keep on watching. Keep on watching the video. You see the important role oil is playing in your engine. Don't skip anywhere. All of them has a reason, and most important thing you learn from there. Don't skip anyone. Keep on watching. Watch, share, comment and subscribe. Click the notification bell for more. Keep on watching. Watch from A to Z. Watch this video till the end. Don't skip anyone, don't leave anyone. Watch it to the end. I did not say you should stop at the road. Watch it to the end. Yeah. Keep on watching. Here is not the end. Just watch it very well. You'll see this thing I'm telling you that. Are you seeing it? Comment and subscribe. Like, share. Don't forget to press the notification bell. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Are you seeing it?